Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about how to remove WhatsApp channel update without deleting WhatsApp. So now if you want to simply mute or just remove channel update, you can do that now. Simply head over to updates. So here, as you can see, we have few channels joined. So let's just say I have this particular channel going on and I want to remove its updates. So we've talked about a method in one of our previous video where we just use this bell icon to remove the updates. So make sure that is turned on, and if you head over to your account channel settings, and there you have this option of mute notifications. So you need to make sure that it is turned on. Now once it is turned on, you will not get any update of channels, and you can do that eventually without uninstalling your WhatsApp. So you do not need to uninstall your WhatsApp anymore, and you can just get rid of channel update without deleting WhatsApp. So that's pretty much it. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next video.